Hello and welcome back. And yeah, haven't still fixed up my A1, but somehow this makerspace just feels like it has way too much space. So maybe we should change that and maybe put in those two Cobra 3 Maxes here, which I had been pre-ordered for quite a long while. And also, if anybody has been asking himself what ACE actually stands for, there it is, Anycubic Color Engine Pro. So yeah, the moment they come like in two separate packages, I think they will probably keep that on. But like they came with two different shippers, so interesting. But yeah, I just hope the space is enough and we won't get too much troubles with the poop. But maybe that's some design project to get the poop catched. I think build up was pretty easy for most people, so I hope it will be the same here. I'm not quite sure how far this video will go. Probably till into a bench here or something. And yeah, I think first I have to put my filaments somewhere else, I guess. It's getting a little bit lack of spacey here, I guess. So that's actually something I really appreciate, like having the warnings here, the manual, video instruction. Maybe I'll just watch that before I go on crazy here. So here we have removed the first layer of transport protection to see a little bit inside, and just take a look at that build plate here, like compared to the A1. That's really something. And I think like with the whole square cube law, it's really hard to grasp, I guess, how much of a difference this actually makes. Yeah, and I think it will fit quite good, as it seems. Same. Yeah, let's build it up. The installation video was very helpful, I think, but there was like I saw at last one thing, like it didn't show how to remove the transport security of the hotbed. But yeah, let's get it out. Let's build it up. It seems easier than the A1, I would say, from the video, but who knows? We'll see. That really feels like my inner engineer and product design spirit really is appreciating how compact they managed to package this thing. So it's really something else, I think. Like especially compared to the A1 here, that one has I think much more inefficient package compared. So like for the size, it's maybe half as much printer. Yeah. So we have to unscrew the top frame from the bottom frame and then flip it around, screw it back on, and that's almost, or that's probably the biggest part. And then we have to put in on the print head and of course get the ACE Pro and find a space for that one, which is probably one of the major challenges here. Like maybe we can somehow top mount them. We have 3D printers as well, and yeah, I think like the main concern at the moment for me is dealing with the poop, like having the printers, they are not poop on each other and maybe damage their prints each. That's probably some design in poop buckets, which we have some design time, which we have to invest. But yeah, we can do them gigantos now, which is quite nice. So here we actually would have had a little bit of an easier time if I had just unboxed the ACE right away, because yeah, we have to reinstall or change the filament hub. I actually have an 8-port hub somewhere here. I ordered from Anycubic a while back, so this one is going on here instead of the 4 one, because I've already the other ACE Pro and the new ACE Pro is going there on the filler dryer, and then I can, if I need to, I can just use that printer for 8-color printing, and probably need to get a second one to be able to use the S1 in the same capacity if need be. I also have to install the poop collector thing, poop throw away machine. Yeah, but this would have been a tiny little bit easier if we had done this just right away when we had actually when we had the print head still off, so that would have been a little bit easier, but no biggie, I guess. So I installed the Ace Pro, some experience there as well. Other video shows this quite well. I think for the filament cutter we just have to put up that cover there, and for this one we have to remove the small 2 screws in the back to get that part off. Yeah. Then we're clear to go. It's alive! So while number 2 is getting started there, we can take a small look at number 1's first Banshee, which actually looks good. Okay, I think. Looks like here it's an 18-minute Banshee, so maybe it's not quite as good for benchmark, but yeah, looks absolutely acceptable, I would say. See lettering in the back? No, not really. The small hole is there. The overhangs look okay. A little bit of stringing here, but we didn't dry the filament up. Yeah, quite happy so far. Now we'll get number 2 running, and I have like one big print I want to try out. This will probably take a little bit longer, but yeah, that's something to finish the video. The A1 I still have to fix, and yeah, the Y-axis here needs to be installed, but I'm too lazy for that, so who knows, maybe I manage this Easter weekend. But yeah, see if I can build the big thing I want to build. So my first big prints are finished, and so yeah, this is you. That's the guy she told you to not worry about, like a 160 centimeter, no dachi, yeah. Yeah, skated up 25% and then 2.5 meters, and yeah, so like the normal one is a little bit more than the handle. Not really suitable for indoor use, I think, but print quality looks okay. And on the other one, this would have been like a print job for 4 plates on the P1S or A1 or the S1, the Kobra S1 thing. Yeah, doesn't really save that much time, but exchanging the plates, I think, so also was something. And yeah, and so like those possibilities are just it's just funny. Yeah, not quite sure if the intended price of 1,000 euro or dollar for this thing is really worth it, but I have not seen it for that price yet, so I'm not quite sure what we paid, like 500 something, 600 maybe for the combo. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Click my affiliate links, comment in the comments, whatever.